Guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always have used the opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and this is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be checking out the assets one after the other. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining us live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading activities. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So remember, for you to make $500 profit, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. This is very, very important. So many people have done this before. You too can also do the same thing. Okay, so just take your time and understand everything we'll be doing right here. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we are right here, starting with boom 1000. This is boom 1000. This had been on a very strong downtrend, got to this region, pull back, and went back down to end the trend around there. Okay, right from here it has started an uptrend, so this will be buying more. But once it gets to this resistance zone, then you should watch out for that, because it might want to pull back around there. But once it breaks out from there, then definitely it will be moving up. Okay, so this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the next asset is going to be boom 500. Okay guys, this is boom 500, and just where we have seen this had been on a very strong downtrend. Okay, it has got into this region. If it's unable to break out from this support zone, then definitely it's going to go back on buy trend right from there. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, it's going to go back up right from that. At least it should pull back for a while before going back to try it out again. Okay, so if it breaks out from this support zone, then definitely to keep on selling. This is selling at the moment, but might not be for a very long time. Okay, so once it's unable to break out from that support zone, then definitely it's going to pull back. So it will pull back for a while, not for a very long time, to try out the support zone again. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000, and just the way we have seen it, this had been on a very strong uptrend, and it is still buying. If it breaks out above the resistance zone, it will continue to buy. If it does not, then it will go buy on a sell trend. Okay, so this is very, very important. This is buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. That is when it will start selling. Okay, so this is very, very important. So the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, it's crash 500, and of course you can see it being on a very strong buy trend, and of course it got to this region, was unable to break out from there, so it went back on sell trend, but still unable to break out from this support region, so it is pulling back at the moment. If it's unable to break out from this resistance zone, then we may likely to have some sell trend or sell movement again. But if it breaks out above it, then it will have to get to this resistance zone. So this is still buying at the moment. It might not be for a very long time before it will change the direction into a sell trend. So the next asset, which is going to be the last one, is going to be volatility 75. Okay, Okay guys, volatility 75 was in downtrend before, but was unable to break out below this support zone, and it went back on buy trend, so it is still buying at the moment. Okay, so if it gets to this region and it breaks out above it, then definitely to be looking at this resistance zone to see if it will break out above it. If it's unable to break out above it, then it will go back on downtrend. Okay, so this is buying at the moment until it is unable to break out the resistance zone. That is when it will start selling. Okay, so this is very, very important for us to take note of. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming out to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video. You can also drop your questions in the comment section. I'll always be there to reply you. Okay, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.